So good afternoon everyone present here and the dear students. I am feeling honored and privileged to express my thoughts on the special day which is National Energy Conservation Day. This particular aspect is really very important and significant from the global perspective as well as national perspective. Why at all? Because National Energy Conservation Day. So why at all we need to conserve energy? That is the big question. Have you ever thought about that? Why at all we need to conserve energy? Because law of conservation of energy says energy can't be created nor destroyed. It is always available in the universe in one form or other. That is called transformation of energy from one form to another. And these things keep happening, whether it is in the form of electrical or chemical or some sound energy or some other form. So once energy is created, it can't be destroyed. That is one part. You all know that there is a limited source of energy, and especially the fossil fuels, which are main source of our petroleum products and others, they are not unlimited. So since there is a limitation, and that is the reason we are worried and anxious about how we are going to survive in absence of this limited fossil fuel source of energy. So that is the reason, since I think many decades, we are continuously exploring the alternative sources of energy, that is renewable source of energy, which includes solar energy, wind energy, and biochemical or biofuels and all. So on this very occasion, to celebrate this across College of Management students, we are basically organizing the poster making or essay writing competition on this. And the reason is very simple, to sensitize each and every student that yes, whatever energy we are consuming from morning till going to bed, we have to be sensitive enough and we have to use, not misuse or overuse it. Because till we are responsibly using the available energy, it is very difficult to consume that. So conservation is very important, whether it is conservation of water, whether it is conservation of other resources, because they are not unlimited. So with this thought process, definitely let us see, we are welcoming the dear students who are having a lot of creativity and thought process in their minds to come out with newer idea and creative ideas, and then contribute that how we can conserve energy wherever we are as a citizen of India, and then how we can contribute, how we can add value to this important aspect of conserving energy. So why at all we are celebrating this day as a National Conservation of Energy Day? Because every year we need to be sensitize all these persons all across, so that it is not only one man show or something. Everybody's responsibility has to be taken care, so that really we are able to do that properly. So with this thought process, all the students are given a chance and opportunity to express their thoughts and ideas, so that really they can contribute and add value in terms of conservation of energy. What may be different ways and means, because the technology is advancing and evolving every day dynamically all across the globe. So not only there, basically even in India, there are so many tools and techniques are used. So we have to use latest tools and techniques and analytics, so that really we are contributing in the name of National Conservation of Energy Day. That is the reason we are here to celebrate it, and continuously every day consistently we have to cover this part on this. So that is the basic purpose of celebrating this National Energy Conservation Day on this very occasion today. So I hope the discussion and your expression through posters and essays will definitely bring so many dynamic ideas, and those ideas, if implemented well on ground, will surely add a lot of value and sensitize each and every person across the nation, so that we are going to use energy resources responsibly and focusing on alternative source of energy which are evolving, especially the solar energy, where that internationally we are proudly hosting the International Solar Alliance, which is hosted in India, in Gurgaon region. So I think we are aggressively following the target of our solar energy production and consumption, and even at rooftop solars or building level, at retail level, we are providing a lot of subsidies and schemes to the common people, so that we are sensitizing them a subsidized rate, so that they are using the energy or solar energy sources at domestic as well as industrial purposes. So with this thought, I am closing the session. I hope you all are thankful for the entire occasion, and now you will be sensitive to use the energy optimally and responsibly. Thank you so much. Thank you.